Okay, hello guys. Welcome to Fifth Generation Hobby Shop. Ngayon po magre-review tayo ng John Wick 4 Pit Viper. Okay, this is official license version. This is the official license version by Taran Tactical Innovation. So, this is the EMG Pit Viper John Wick 4. And shout out po pala kay Sir Mike Vergara ng QC. Okay, this is your unit. Pit Viper John Wick 4 by EMG, officially licensed by Taran Tactical Innovations. Yan, made in Taiwan po siya. Ayan po, made in Taiwan kasi meron pong lumabas nito na ibang brand. Meron pong lumabas nito na Double Bell, meron din pong lumabas nito na ENC at marami pa po, no? But this one is the official license product ng EMG. No, kumbaga ito yung kung ano itsura ng original na yung real steel, yung totoong John Wick 4, parehong-pareho siya. Okay? So it comes with the Taran Tactical Innovation certificate. Yan yung certificate of authenticity. Ayan, support license product. Okay, this is the card ng which is a double bell, walang ganito na, wala siyang card. Ang meron lang sa double bell yung gold coin. Okay, gold coin. Okay, so only the EMG ang may card. Ayan. So for instruction and registration, scan nyo lang yung QR code. Ayan, kung gusto nyo siyang ipa-register doon sa kanilang website. And scan for instruction and registration. Okay? And then, comes with the Allen range para to sa magazine. Okay, the magazine is 24 rounder. Then, naka anti-freeze na yung kanyang, as you can see, pula na yung kanyang gas route. Which is, sa ibang mga airsoft, itim lang siya, no? Yun yung standard. But for this one, naka anti-freeze na siya, no? Red. Pati yung kanyang loading nozzle, red na rin po, anti-freeze. So ito yung Allen range. Kung gusto niyo siyang palitan ng mag base, ay mag base niya, meron siyang marking sa Taran Tactical. CNC, kung gusto niyo palitan ng mag base, ito yung adjuster. So, kailangan siya ng Allen. Adjuster yan. Okay? 24 rounder capacity. Ay, sorry. Okay, and this is the unit. Ayan. With the markings ng Taran Tactical Innovation. So, highly detailed yung CNC machine aluminum slide. Yung kanyang slide, talagang detalyado. Ayan. Highly detailed. No? Tapos meron siyang Taran Tactical Innovation, this one is laser engraved. Yan, laser engraved po yan. Okay? So, yung kanyang barrel ay non-tilting. So, as you can see, yung mga normal na sa John Wick 3, nagtitilt pa yun pag kinasa mo siya, diba? Pagka nag-open chamber na ganyan. So, makikita mo talaga yung barrel, no? Nagtitilt siya pa, siguro upward. But for this one, non-tilting siya. Na, as you can see, hindi rin siya masyadong maalog yung barrel, no? With the, kasi may support siyang compensator. Ayan. So, yung kanyang sight ay fiber optic sa front. Fiber optic sa front yung kanyang sight. Tapos, yung rear sight niya ay naka ghost profile. No? Shrouded. This one is adjustable. Adjustable siya. Ayaw focus. Ayan. Adjustable po yung kanyang rear sight. Elevation and windage. So ibig sabihin po, left and right, up and down. So kung may pagbabago sa kanyang sa kanyang, kumbaga yun sa kanyang accuracy. So, pwede nyo pong i-adjust. So, konti lang ang adjustment naman yan. Up and down, or elevation, then left and right, yan yung windage. Okay. So, naka CNC precision yung kanyang compensator. Yan. Kanyang compensator. This is the compensator, no? Which is wala naman sa John Wick 3. Sa John Wick 4 lang ang meron. No? Yun nga, naka fiber optic sight siya. Ayan, naka fiber optic sight yung front. Okay, so naka flared magwell. Ayan. With the laser engraved. Ayan, Taran Tactical Innovation. Then, ayan, may markings din siya dito. Laser engraved Pit Viper with the serial number. And dito sa kanyang ilalim, yan, this one is Taran Tactical Innovation Model Pit Viper. Okay? So again, this is the official license, fully licensed by Taran Tactical Innovation. This is the EMG Pit Viper. Ayan. So, ambidextrous manual safety na rin. Check natin yung safety. Okay, working. Down safety or safety off. Ayan. Okay. So, now, lagyan natin siya ng gas para ma-check natin kung ilang EPS. Okay. 3 to 5 seconds po ang pag-load o pag-fill ng gas sa magazine. Upside down or inverted position. Then press. 1, 1002, 1003. Okay. 3 to 5 seconds. And then, lagyan lang natin siya ng ilang pirasong bala para sa chronograph testing. Okay, so again, this is the EMG Pit Viper. Ayan. Fully licensed by Taran Tactical Innovations. Okay, so testing, chronograph testing. Okay, chronograph testing. Pit Viper 4. John Wick 4 Pit Viper. Fully licensed by Taran Tactical Innovations. Again, shout out kay Sir Mike Vergara of QC. Okay, testing. Firing. Okay, 341.7. Ay, sorry. 341.7 EPS. Okay, zoom lang natin para makita. Yan. Okay, next one. 342.7. 341.1. And 340.4. Okay, and open chamber. So, open chamber na siya dahil 4 shots lang, no? 4 na bala lang po yung nilagay natin. Okay, just release the magazine, no, by pressing the mag release. Ayan. Tapos, ang gawin nyo po para hindi mapudpud yung kanyang notch, yan, kung saan po sumasampa yung slide stop. Para hindi po yan mapudpud, yung part na yan, ang gawin nyo po, pull back mo lang ng bagya, tapos baba mo yung slide stop, then release. Eh, ganun lang po. Kasi pagka ganito po palagi, hindi nyo siya aalalayan. O pwede kasi yan, mapudpod katagalan yung notch. Yan yung notch na yan. So, pag palaging ganyan, pwedeng mapudpod po itong part na to. So, ang case, pag napudpod, hindi na siya mag-open chamber. Though maraming factor. So, may nagtatanong, sir, hindi naman pudpod yung notch pero hindi siya nag-open chamber. So, po pwede pong malamig na yung magazine. So, pag sobrang lamig na pa, lalo na pag continuous yung gamit, pag sobrang lamig na po pwede rin siyang hindi mag-open chamber. Kasi pag malamig, humihina yung blowback. So pag mahina po yung blowback, hindi niya na kayang itulak. Hindi na aabot dito sa may notch. So maraming factor po. Pero isa sa mga factor, pag pudpud siya, hindi siya mag-open chamber. Okay? Malamig ang magazine or malambot na yung spring. Pwede rin ganon. Kaya hindi siya nag-open chamber. Okay, and then shoot pa tayo. Lagyan pa natin ng bala. So yung nilagay ko po kanina na 5 seconds na gas, eto pa po yun. So hindi pa po ako re-refill ng gas ulit. So ito pa po yun, yung gas na yun. Matipid kasi si AMG sa gas, 24689. Okay? Matipid siya, matagal maubos. And dahil nga naka-anti-freeze siya, di ba? As you can see, yung kanyang loading nozzle pala, ayan. Naka-anti-freeze. So pula na yan. As usual, yung mga usual na mga airsoft naman, like sa WE, itim yan. So sa Pit Viper, dito sa Taran Tactical Official License, EMG, naka-anti-freeze na siya. Mahal din yung yung anti-freeze na loading nozzle. Okay? So, shooting test po tayo. Again, shoutout kay Sir Mike Vergara of QC. Now, proceed tayo sa shooting test. Okay, testing. Pit Viper John Wick 4, officially licensed by Taran Tactical Innovations and made in Taiwan. Gas blowback airsoft pistol. Airing. Okay, ubusin na natin yung bala hanggang sa mag-open chamber. Bullseye. Tulad yan, di siya nag-open chamber pa. Ayan, okay. Last open chamber. So, ibig sabihin po, wala na siyang bala. Okay, so, ganun lang po. Pull back mo lang, then baba yung slide stop, release. Hammer down. So, kailangan po, ikasan nyo muna siya bago siya mag-safe, no? Ikakasan mo siya bago mo siya ma-safe. Okay. So, yun lamang po, sir. Mike, shoutout kay Sir Mike Vergara of QC. Kung mayroon pa po kayong question, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop, or kontakin nyo po kami sa aming number, dun sa number na naka-flash kadalasan sa aming YouTube channel. Okay? So, yun lamang po. Thank you, sir. Thank you for choosing 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Have a nice day.